Today, we have a very special topic to discuss: finding love after a heartbreak. Many of us have experienced the pain and anguish that comes with a broken heart, but fear not. In this video, we'll explore 9 powerful tips to help you find love again and embark on a journey towards healing and happiness. Tip 1: Embrace self-love. After a heartbreak, it's crucial to prioritize self-care and nurture a healthy relationship with yourself. Take this time to rediscover your passions, hobbies, and dreams. Treat yourself with kindness, practice self-compassion, and learn to appreciate your own worth. Remember, love starts within. Tip 2: Allow yourself to grieve. Healing takes time, and it's essential to honor your emotions. Give yourself permission to feel the pain, to cry, and to reflect on the lessons learned from your past relationship. By acknowledging your emotions, you pave the way for a more authentic and fulfilling love in the future. Tip 3: Learn from the past. Reflect on your previous relationship and identify patterns or behaviors that contributed to its downfall. Use this opportunity to grow and evolve as an individual. Recognize your strengths and weaknesses, and actively work towards becoming the best version of yourself. Tip 4: Expand your social circle. Engage in activities, join clubs, or take classes that align with your interests. Meeting new people and fostering meaningful connections can open doors to potential romantic opportunities. Remember, love can find you when you least expect it. Tip 5: Practice vulnerability. Opening yourself up to love again may require vulnerability, but it also holds the potential for immense joy. Be willing to share your authentic self with others, express your feelings, and allow others to see the real you. Vulnerability creates a strong foundation for genuine connections. Tip 6: Set healthy boundaries. Understand your values and establish clear boundaries to protect your emotional well-being. Communicate your needs and expectations in relationships, and ensure they align with your personal growth and happiness. Boundaries are vital for creating healthy and fulfilling connections. Tip 7: Practice gratitude. Cultivating a mindset of gratitude can transform your outlook on life and love. Focus on the positive aspects of your journey. Appreciate the lessons learned, and acknowledge the blessings that surround you. Gratitude will attract more love and happiness into your life. Tip 8: Stay open to love. Even after a heartbreak, it's important to remain open to new experiences and possibilities. Understand that each person is unique and that love can manifest in unexpected ways. Keep your heart open, embrace the unknown, and trust that love will find its way back to you. Tip 9: Have patience. Finding love after a heartbreak takes time, and it's crucial to have patience with yourself and the process. Trust that the right person will come into your life when the timing is right. In the meantime, focus on personal growth, self-discovery, and creating a life filled with happiness and fulfillment. Remember, love is worth the wait. 9 powerful tips for finding love after a heartbreak. Remember, healing takes time, and it's important to be gentle with yourself throughout the journey. By embracing self-love, allowing yourself to grieve, learning from the past, expanding your social circle, practicing vulnerability, setting healthy boundaries, practicing gratitude, staying open to love, and having patience, you'll be on your way to finding a love that surpasses anything you've experienced before. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.